Hello, people. How are you doing? Today we are talking about how to use the S4FE Navigator. Thanks for checking this video out. I'll take you step by step through it now. First of all, what you need is this link here, this Telegram link. To show you how it's working is basically just type in this link here, just type in this link here and the S4FE Navigator will pop up. To use that, you will need Telegram. Telegram you can download easily under web.telegram.org. Very simple to use, and just get Telegram. If you can download WhatsApp, you will be able as well to install Telegram. If you have questions, just or ask your support, your admin. Good. When you are here into the Telegram Navigator, you just press here, open Telegram, and then you come here to this place. Here, you just type start, and basically the whole interaction will happen. You have the possibility to choose between German, English, Russian, and many more languages, which will come in the next few days. We do now the test in English, okay? So you have different possibilities here, what you can do. You have a coin exchange, you have the token bridge, you have affiliate, advertising, and support. So let's try out first the coin exchange. You can see here, it says we have the possibility here to buy SAFE basically with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many different cryptocurrencies. And you can choose here what basically you want to, or with which cryptocurrency you want to work. Let's say now a very simple thing, I want to purchase with Bitcoin SAFE. Why you should purchase SAFE is a whole other story, but let's take a quick look at it. So you can see now here you have the amount, here you have the price where you can basically purchase SAFE. And then let's just type in here as example, I want to purchase 1 million SAFE. Boom. So then it says, please send us now your SAFE withdrawal address. What I have to say first is there are contract addresses. If you want to know more about this, then you should learn about Etherscan and BSC scan, Binance Smart Chain scan. Basically, I can show you these two different tools. Let's first check out Etherscan. On Etherscan, you can type in a smart contract address, and then you see basically all the transactioning or all the transactions running under it. So when you go here, check out this address here. You can see here the last transaction was done 1 day ago on the ERC20 blockchain. The BSC20 blockchain is another one. Here you need another smart contract code. But here you can basically see what's going on in the SAFE network. Okay, let's take a look, or let's go back to the Telegram Navigator. It says now, please send us now your SAFE withdrawal address. So basically, where do you want to receive your SAFE tokens? And to do that, we need a tool which is called MetaMask. Ethereum, SAFE is a ERC20 and a BEP20 based token. And on MetaMask, you can receive both of it. You just go here to download MetaMask, and then you have here Brave. You can download it in the Brave browser for iOS, for Android, and for many more different supported browsers. You can see it here. I will attach as well an explanation how to install MetaMask. Please take care to write down your 12 or 24 seed phrases. It's very important. If not, if you don't do it right, you can end up lose all your funds. It's very important. Keep safe here. Like SAFE, the name SAFE. Really stay safe here. It's very important to secure the cryptos in the right way. I would recommend you. I get nothing of this recommendation. I'm just telling it because it's the stuff I'm using too. You can see it here. Get a ledger. This ledger costs you around, I think, $120, $150. It's worth it. It protects your cryptocurrency. It cannot be easily stolen. If you have basically malware on your computer, it's still hard to get at your cryptos. So get this. It's very important. It's worth a penny. Okay. So let's assume now you have your MetaMask installed, and it would look like this here. Here you can receive BEP20 and ERC20. We really recommend to only use this application because you can use both basically both blockchains. Here, it's an explanation, Ethereum mainnet, BSC mainnet, how it basically works. Okay, so I enter now here my wallet address, and what you can see now, what happens is it says, okay, you're ready, you are set for ordering and paying the 1 million safe tokens. And basically it just says, hey, pay here to this Bitcoin address, pay here the amount. So what you will do now is you would basically, when we take a look at, you would basically go as example to the wallet of your choice. It can be your Binance wallet, it can be your Trust wallet, it can be your Coinbase wallet, wherever you have your Bitcoin in it. You go now to this wallet and basically go to send. Okay, I have here now my Trust wallet. You type to scan basically the QR code, you scan it, and it will directly implement the right amount. You cannot see it here in my camera, but it says now send 0.06. You can see here the amount, 32000 Bitcoins. And that's exactly what needs to be done, exactly the amount which we have here needs to be sent out. After this is done, you will receive between 24 and 48 hours your personal safe tokens. So that's the thing what we have here. On the other hand, we have here, if you want to switch between the networks between ERC20 and BEP20, we have here a bridge. So basically you can choose, okay, I want to send my tokens from ERC20 to BEP20. What you need to do is as well here, choose the right amount. Let's say I want to transfer as well 1 million tokens from one network to the other. Then it says, please send us now your safe sender address. From there, the tokens need to be sent out. We only send tokens to addresses where they are coming from, not from other addresses. So I type in, as example here, my address. And then it says, please transfer from ERC20 1 million safe to this address here, okay? And we will transfer it back to the same address where it came from. What has to be this address here? As well, you have to transfer a BNB fee. This is this one here, 0.0111, 0.01055 and something, okay? That's how it works. That's how the bridge is operating. Then, very important, if you want to onboard customers to Safe, and if you want to give away, as example, to a later stage some free tokens, you can give them affiliate access. So you have here, if you press on affiliate, you have here an affiliate link, okay? This link, just copy and paste it here, just basically copy it, and then you can send it to your contacts. You can earn up to 12% in commissions. If you are a leader, if you have basically a team which you are leading, if you are starting out, you are making 6%. And to this stage is how the operation is working, how you can move up in the career positions. I will do a separate video. This will be too long here. Important too, we pay out on a daily basis, basically commissions. You just need to withdraw them. How it is working is you go here to Ethereum withdrawal address. You set your personal address where you want to receive Ethereum. I will copy and paste now here as example my address from MetaMask, bam, and then that's basically it. I just need to place here the Ethereum address, and you can see it has been saved. So same for Bitcoin wallet address, and if you want to basically receive the withdrawal of your outstanding amount, it needs to be more than $100. You just press here on Bitcoin withdrawal or Ethereum withdrawal, whatever you have in your balance for the referrals, okay? Then you have here one button, which is called advertising. Here you have different videos regarding Safe, which are not live right now, so you have a little advantage of other people, and you can tell the people, hey, I have direct access to a project, get into this and this and this is happening next. And here you have a lot of different marketing material you can grab. Then we have a support, very important as well. Here in the support, you basically can just press here contact support, and one support ticket will be opened. You send here a message out. Hello, I need help. This and this and this is my problem. Press enter, and support ticket is out. We will as well answer this very fast, between 24 and 48 hours. That's basically concerning the Telegram bot. I'm very happy that you are watching this. Tune in to the steady happening Zoom calls. Stay up to date join our Telegram group. Down below, there will be a link to the Telegram group, to the official group. And stay tuned. I'm happy to hear more. Bye. Peace out.